big fertilizer companies don't want you to know this secret. There's a method from Korea that's revolutionizing gardening, without chemicals, without spending a fortune. And the best part? You can do it right in your backyard with stuff you already have at home. It's called Korean natural farming, or KNF for short. This isn't some new trend. KNF is an ancient practice that uses beneficial microbes to feed your soil, not just your plants. Instead of dumping synthetic fertilizers, you're actually growing your own soil life, turning your garden into a self-sustaining ecosystem. It's not magic, it's microbiology in action. So, how does it work? You start with the basics: rice, water, brown sugar, fruits, and sometimes milk. You ferment these to grow colonies of indigenous microorganisms, IMOs. Think of them as your soil's best friends. When you pour these fermented solutions into your garden, you're not just watering your plants, you're feeding a whole underground army of microbes. They break down organic matter and unlock nutrients for your plants naturally. No more guessing games with chemical doses. There are 3 main KNF recipes I use at home, and you can too. First, fermented plant juice, or FPJ. You make this by packing leafy greens with brown sugar. It pulls out plant juices packed with growth hormones. Second, lactic acid bacteria, or LAB. Mix milk with rice water, let it ferment, and you've got a natural way to suppress harmful bacteria. And third, IMO3. This one's rice fermented with local soil fungi, then expanded with brown sugar and bran. It's like a probiotic starter pack for your dirt. These inputs team up with your soil's biology. They work just like probiotics do for us, helping plants absorb more, fight off disease, and bounce back from stress. So, why does all this make fertilizer companies nervous? Because once you switch to KNF, you stop buying their expensive chemical bags. You start making your own garden thrive for free. It puts control back in your hands, as a gardener, as a grower. And here's the best part. You don't need a farm or fancy gear. Just a few jars, some patience, and whatever's local. Spray some FPJ every week. Add LAB to your compost. Use IMO on your beds once a month. Your veggies will thank you with explosive growth, deeper flavor, and that old-school resilience. This Korean secret doesn't have to be a secret anymore. Whether you have a backyard, a balcony, or a small farm, you can break free from chemicals. The power is literally in your soil. Now's the time to unlock it. Like, share and subscribe for more natural growing hacks.